Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen on your watch face, or rather on your watch, you will see the watch face, and on some of the watch faces the step counter is displayed. You can open the watch face menu and look for the watch face that displays that information. So if we open the watch face, you can look for something. For example, this one also does display the step count and stuff like that. So you can look for them, and most of them display that information. Another way is to open the activity widget, I believe. Right here, activity records, and here we have the steps. I believe the workout and the calories burned. And if you have any steps counted, this circle will fill in basically with like a lighter color, and you will see how is your progression going. You can also tap on, oh never mind, you can't tap on the activity records. You can just look at them. But what if we open the menu on our watch and find the activity records app and tap on it to open it? And here we have more detailed information. Okay, so we have the graph, we have the statistics, like 0 out of something, and if you scroll down you have like the graph from the whole day, and you can check it, like more detailed information basically. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And another way to check it is through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can check this information in the app, and it's a little bit more detailed in the app. So there's also a reason to check it there. So we can bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Honor Health app. And here we have some statistics. We have steps, calories, and activity. But if you scroll down and tap on steps right here, you can open the steps page, and here we have more detailed information like daily progress, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And you can scroll through the graph to check out your data. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the Honor Health application. And that's how you track the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.